After the success of the 2022 ACC Europe Conference in Madrid, I'm very happy to invite you to the 2023 edition, which will take place in Brussels from April 16 to April 18. As always, the ACC Europe Conference stands for 3 days of networking, advanced education and interactive workshops on issues topping every in-house counsel agenda.
Now, if you haven't been to a prior ACC Europe annual conference, it's our flagship event, and we put a lot of time and thought into making sure that year after year it continues to be a unique opportunity to learn, to connect with others, and to recharge and be inspired.
But we also innovating this year with a technology center, business speed dating, roundtable session, and ACC bitesize with powerful and inspirational speakers. So get inspired, get challenged while making new connections and having fun.
Consider taking advantage of the early bird special, and we look forward to seeing you in Brussels in April. Thank you.